All right, guys, so something pretty simple today. The other day I pulled the plugs out, and I noticed that this coil pack was actually like corroded and rusty inside. Went to go clean it and it completely exploded. I'll show you what happened. All right, so I'm gonna pull it out, and yep, that's what happened. And I lost the spring and everything was so rusty in there. I tried to clean it, and that's what happened. So a little simple inspection turned out to be a new coil pack, but fortunately I'm just gonna end up replacing all of them and keeping these three good ones. High mileage, well, actually not even high mileage, this thing's like 89,000 miles, but these things have mileage on them. I'm gonna take them out, put four matching, and keep these for spares. So, and I checked the plugs already and everything seems pretty nice and everything. Let me throw on these fresh coil packs and be done with this. So here are the coil packs right here. Just gonna unpackage all of them real quick. And yeah, so kind of cool that new parts are going on this car, because this is like the little workhorse, and finally it's gonna get some better spark. So yeah, so let me unpackage these and throw them on. All right, guys, so there it is right there, out with the old right there and in with the new. Hopefully these things last, and just gonna keep the three good ones and just toss this one in the trash, and keep these for backups. Never throw good coil packs away, because if anything goes wrong with your old ones, you get a misfire and it's one of these that go out, you could easily just swap in one of these and problem solved for free, basically. But yeah, so next video is going to be PCV valve and a few other things. If you want to see more on this little mini, please subscribe and comment, smash the like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.